हमारे घर में अब देसी घी में खाना पकता है.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Salim the other day was like, the palak gosht had some butter, desi ghee. I'm like, yeah, we've changed to desi ghee. Everything is cooked in desi ghee.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're not counting calories here.
Well, I
right?
don't care. We both are, by the way, you have to see, mashallah, both of us have put on weight, but it's fine.
No, it's healthy. Yeah.
But it's so good for
Absolutely.
you. It's so good for you. It's good fat, right? So I've started doing that. Especially when I'm traveling and all, I'm pretty conscious. Until unless I believe that I deserve a cheat day.
Everybody does.
Yeah.
But hold that thought. जरा थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करते हैं. So मायरा खान सुबह घर में उठ के तो बाबूजी को बताती हैं कि आज क्या पकना है?
जी हाँ.
बताती हैं
जी.
कि आज ये पकेगा. Like us commoners.
Yes.
Okay.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
और वो पकता है जो सलीम को पसंद है.
वो दोनों we both are foodies. और अजलान का भी.
Of course.
तो आज सुबह मेरे बताने से पहले सलीम had told the cook. So very weirdly दोनों एक similar उस पे थे. मैंने कहा स्पेगेटी कीमा बना दो अजलान के लिए और हमारे लिए जो है दाल चावल कुछ. We like दाल चावल आलू, दाल चावल this. We're one of them. हाँ.
With अचार and
Yeah. हरी मिर्चें. That's what we like. Home cooked food. And I believe that is, so I don't diet. I've never dieted really. So that concept has not yet sort of come to me.
Yeah.
Just dieting or cutting things out, cutting carbs out and stuff like that.
So your metabolic rate is probably really healthy and
yeah. I would imagine
Absolutely.
it to be because I eat everything.
Yeah.
But I don't really snack. I think that might be also a good
absolutely.
thing, right?
Yeah.
कभी-कभी जब मैं बहुत anxious होती हूँ तो फिर मैं पूरी रात एक पैकेट. हाँ.
Because हमारा है ना relationship with food तो यही है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that is when I'm anxious and nervous or something is not sitting well with me. But otherwise, I think घर का खाना is necessary. And then of course, it's very important कि आपके जो vitamins हैं, वो आप ज़्यादातर अपने nutrition से लें. That's what they say, right?
Bilkul.
So don't depend on different tablets and stuff like that to get all your, they talk about supplements. How many supplements can you take,
Yeah.
But then again, what I do regularly, for instance, is I do have vitamin C. It's so crazy, when I got offered to do the CAC ad, I was like, yeah, I'm going to do this because I actually drink it.
Absolutely.
I drink it.
Absolutely.
And I take it with vitamin D.
Right.
I don't know if you do the same.
I do it. It does have a bit of vitamin D as well.
Yes.
But I also add a 5000 IU की छोटी वाली gel.
Right.
हाँ, vitamin D, बिल्कुल.
Because another very interesting thing जो मैंने पढ़ी थी वो ये थी कि you are not what you eat, you are what you absorb.
Right, of course. I mean, that makes complete sense.
Right?
Yeah.
So let's say you're having a vitamin D tablet just like that. But you should read what does it go well with?
Yeah.
How does it get absorbed in your body better? So those are also very interesting things that I've been reading about, So I take vitamin C, even though it has a little bit of D, I still take a tablet with it every day.
Right.
Every single
And that's the only supplement you take?
That is the only supplement.
Well, that's pretty amazing because, most of us are like...
Are you taking more supplements?
I mean, I do take a magnesium now. I do try and do zinc.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I do take, whenever I remember, I take magnesium for my bones. But I feel like I'm taking other medication, which is I just want to not take too much.
Right. Absolutely.
Try to get it out of my food
Absolutely.
as much as possible.
Yeah. We're not talking about fruits and vegetables.
I'm really bad with fruits.
You're bad with fruits.
Really bad.
Okay, we'll stick to the desi ghee.
Yeah,
and do away with the fruits and
I'm
vegetables.
really bad. Really
But that's fine. Acha, now when we talk about fitness and exercise, you recently put up a post saying हम gym नहीं जाते भाई, हम नहीं जाते, लेकिन हम में फिर भी इतनी ताकत है कि हम स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस कर लेते हैं नाच गा लेते हैं बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से. So where is that energy coming from? Because as we know, after 30, muscle loss does begin.
Oh yeah.
And the bones do
And
start
mine.
getting.
Oh.
Yeah. So where is that energy coming from?
Well, look, firstly, let me just put it out for the world कि ये जो मैंने लिखा है ना, हम नहीं जाते भाई gym. It's because, you know, I don't know what got into me. I was just like, नहीं जाते ना हम gym. हम कैंडल जला के गाने सुनते हैं. अब ये हम हैं. अब इसका हम क्या करें? But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I've never done it, you know. I actually do want to be regular. I love Pilates.
Okay.
I love swimming. But yeah, I'm not regular, which is really sad actually. I believe that when I'm working is when I'm the fittest. So for instance, when I was in London shooting, the last 2-3 weeks is when I had this surge of energy and I was
Right.
like, wow, what is this? It was because I was regularly working every single day.
Yeah.
Every single day.
And it was what, a 45-day,
It was long.
a long spell
Long.
for Love Guru with Humayun Said.
Yeah. So, and then.
Coming soon.
Yeah. And then I started, whenever I got the time, I started going for a swim downstairs and going to do some steam, swim, swim.
Because you
steam.
got good weather, right, in London? It was ठंड तो नहीं अभी शुरू
No.
हुई थी?
हाँ, ये इतनी ठंड थी कि मैं आपको बता नहीं
Oh,
सकती.
okay.
जी जी. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. डायलॉग्स नहीं बोले जा रहे थे, वो वाली ठंड.
Okay.
लेकिन this was a indoor pool, a very very nice pool and a gym and all of that. So when Humayun told me कि रोज जाता हूँ मैं gym, मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. फिर I also got a little, I was like
Gym FOMO.
Gym FOMO नहीं, I was like gym तो मैं नहीं जाऊँगी.
हाँ.
और वो मिल गए फिर वो
Yeah.
नहीं
वो एक competition शुरू हो
नहीं
जाता है gym में.
competition नहीं.
हाँ.
I just cannot. I'll tell you a story about me going to a gym in India, which I will not tell you who that this famous actor was. But I cannot tell you Amna. After that, I was just like, because मैं तो चली गई ऊपर at the Taj, and I was on this treadmill, which was real slow. Real slow. It was so slow that I don't even know it wasn't moving. So, anyways, suddenly मेरी कनखियों से मैंने किसी को देखा कि नहीं, okay, I just didn't even look. And I was on my thing of slow treadmill and I heard, hi. And I was like, oh, hi, I'll just see you in a minute. And on that slow treadmill,
Yeah.
I just started doing this weird run.
Pressure. Gym pressure.
Oh my God. And I could see him from my back. There was a mirror and he was doing this. I was like, Allah, मैं कभी नहीं जाना, मुझे जिम नहीं जाना, मुझे किसी एक्टर के साथ तो कहीं नहीं जाना. जिम पता नहीं.
वो हो जाते हैं ना, एक्टर्स कम्पिटिटिव हो जाते हैं कि ज़्यादा तेज भागो, ज़्यादा वेट लिफ्टिंग
नहीं,
करो.
मुझे तो कोई देख के हंसेगा ना. I mean, I have real treadmill phobia now.
Okay.
That happened.
मैंने कहा पता नहीं गिर गई ट्रेडमिल पे.
अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ. मौला जट
अच्छा,
के
वो भी
टाइम
है.
पे
Okay.
I went downstairs. I said, I'm going to go on a treadmill. And so at the Heritage there is a TV. I started watching the TV and I fell actually very badly. The whole treadmill took me back. But
So
that
then you've
was
been scarred and you were like, bas,
I
no.
don't. Yeah, that love affair, which
Is
never
over.
really started,
Is
is
over.
over. So I don't like to embarrass myself. So I used to
अच्छा, but
go downstairs.
Fitness कहाँ से आ रही है? Do you dance? Are you doing Pilates? I mean,
No,
Myra, wear those heels that you wear and you so effortlessly walk in. And that recent ad that we saw with
Oh,
you
God.
on the catwalk, like in those high heels.
I
and
think
yeah.
I honestly, I do. I'm telling you that I'm constantly on my toes. Right. I'm constantly on my toes. Whenever I do get the time, I will go for Pilates. But see, my Pilates instructor will look at this and have a great laugh. So I don't want to also lie, right?
Are you one of those people who buy a gym membership for a year and then just never turn up and feel
Oh, yeah.
happy knowing that I have a membership?
Oh, I have a membership everywhere.
Right.
Everywhere in this city. With every gym. But like I said, once I started swimming in the mornings when we used to go for shoot, I started loving it.
Yeah.
So even like